perfect spot. Just high enough for proper grooming. Remember what happened with the window, sweetie?
This mirror is much shinier, Mom. No streaks.
Sweetie, cover and soothe, now! They're past the fence!
Cover, right, cover! Where's the horse blanket?
Horses again? They're getting predictable. There. No phantom horse ghosts now.
Patience, my friends. We need soothing snacks.
Slam, horse panic, reel, farm, vlog. See the chaos, the drama, the... Slow down.
Observe, sweetie. See the difference cover makes.
Safety, then sustenance. Always in that order.
Spook becomes steady with just a simple cloth.
Frosted glass.
Soft reflection, no sudden shock. Solid mechanics. The hardware wasn't the problem.
Just a soft glow now, like looking through mist.
Go fix, sweetie. Now for 8 a.m. smoothies. Pineapple smoothie first. Then the long ride. Teamwork makes the farm work smoothly, dear.
Mechanics checked. You're clear for the harvest ride.
Time to harvest those plump strawberries, team.
The 8 a.m. smoothie ride. Cinematic farm action.
A patient pace is a safe pace. Water follows the trail.
Perfectly plump. Smoothie time is almost here.
Only the ripest. Quality over speed, sweetie.
Best time-lapse B-roll. Max aesthetic. Gotta get the bokeh.
Preventative maintenance. Stops the next panic bolt. Good work, folks. Everything running smooth.
Hydration is the foundation of all farm life. Remember,
Sweetie, load up the rest. The sun's getting hot.
Organizing by ripeness. Smoothie Priority 1.
Snack break. Must maintain vlog energy levels.
Oil pressure good. We're ready for the return trip. Smoothie time is officially inbound, team.
Almost finished. Just a few more to go.
A clean start makes a fresh outlook.
Viral content. The horse drama always delivers the views.
Tools back where they belong. Order is paramount.
Sweetie, help me set up the smoothie station. Pineapple and strawberry. My signature smoothie mix. Perfect blend. Sweet and a little bit tangy. Best smoothie after a long day of farm work.
Too sweet for a mechanic, but it's a good fix.
Sweetness is a good reward for a day of patience.
Soft focus is the best focus for a shy animal.
Smoothie review! 10 out of 10! Farm life is the best!
You were the calmest one, Lost Dog. My little hero. Another successful day. Everything tucked in and secured. Time to kick these off. A farmer's work is never done. Long days, but good days. We learned a big lesson today.
Look, Mom. Even the sunset is soft and gentle now.
Lesson learned. Always use the low glare option first.
The day's work is done. Time for rest and a cool drink.
Video published. Time for the final relaxing clip.
Good night, buddy. We make a good team.
Ready for tomorrow's smoothie adventures. Sweet dreams, sweetie. And remember the lesson. Another day on the farm. Let's get to work.
I'm ready, Mom. No more spook scares today.
Preemptive polish. Never hurts to be ready.
The water cycle begins again. Steady wins the race.
Morning B-roll. Establishing shots must be cinematic.
See, sweetie? Good planning equals peace. Planting time is just as important as harvest. Steady hand. Focus. No distractions.
Keep the water moving. Prevention first. Excellent flow, Brave Badger. We need to be reliable.
She's learning fast. Every accident is a new lesson. Planting complete! Now for that second smoothie! Secure, steady, and always prepared. The rhythm of the farm is a beautiful, steady thing. Time to clean up and plan for the afternoon.
Always replenish what you use. The cycle continues.
The solution is stable. No more shiny surprises.
Final shot. Peaceful resolution. The power of soft focus. A lesson learned well is a treasure, sweetie. Book became steady, all because of a little cover.